So the machine just turned on and I noticed red light. Well, hopefully something simple. Maybe the air. Nope. Battery alarm. All right. Well, we're going to just go right into checking something out. We're going to go check our MRJ2. We're going to come up to axis. We're going to select our first axis. We're going to go into test operation. There you get a little message that comes up. I'm just going to hide this. Good things, origin set, completion so far, alright. And then we're going to come over to alarm. We're going to just display. Voltage battery right there. So, that means I'm going to have to move this table, get into that cabinet, and change our MRJ battery. And before I even go and open that cabinet, I want to know if it's both batteries or if it's just one. Origin complete on the second one, we're good. We have no alarm, so it's just one battery today. Now, if both of those would have had no alarm, it's the battery right behind this screen for the control itself. So cancel this. I should have canceled this one before changing over. And we'll do that. So at this point, changing out the battery, I have to change the battery out before I can shut the machine off. If I shut the machine off, change the battery out, I'll lose my parameters for my tool change. That's actually the magazine back there. So we'll do that now. So I've got a brand new battery here. And we always want to test it before we install it. So it should be 3.6. 3.65, we're good. So here's the alarm. MRJ, we're just gonna pull the battery out. Grab my new battery. Slide it in there. Okay. Clip in, yep, it's clipped in. Now, we'll have to reset this by shutting off the machine. But I'll go check the MRJ2s first, which won't tell me anything. I gotta shut the machine off. But while we're here, let me just check. Put the phone down for a moment. And And there you go, 3.4. That was our problem. So I know I said I had to just shut off the machine. I wanted to show you instead of just you having to believe me, but here's the alarm. It's changed to a new battery. Reset. Reset. Your classic MF1 button, you know. Mazak guys will understand. It will not reset. And then we can verify that. It's just not going to reset unless we turn off the machine. But if I go back to the MRJ2, I can go up to my set axis, the first axis, go into test operation. I'm just going to minimize this. There's nothing in here I want to actually see. And we go back to the alarm. Display alarm. It's still going to say battery. There is a reset here, but I can hit it. Alarm reset, okay. But again, nothing happens here. So the only way to clear this out is shut the machine off. Kind of scary to do if you don't trust the battery, because if you shut it off without a good battery, you're going to bring it up and you're going to lose your parameters. So, it's off. This takes a while, so I'll bring you back when I turn it back on, and we'll go back and check the MRJ. So the machine just turned on, no alarm. Axis set up. First axis. Okay. Still good. If there was a problem on that screen, it would say something like illegality of some sort. And alarm none. All good. Now I'm ready to set up the machine and make it sing.